Oh God. Bugs, let's go.
I don't know. Ask your brother.
Hey, there's their house over here. Bugs. Go. Hey! We don't know if anybody's in here. No one's checked it.
I got.
Nice.
Are you in here?
Hello?
Hello? Is there anybody in here? Hello?
I got this side.
Hello?
Hello, hello.
Anybody in here?
You guys here?
No, it's just single.
Hey. Check all these. No one. Go. Okay. Let's go. I checked in there and no one's.
Nothing? Okay.
Nothing.
Hello? Hello? Hey, what's in here? Oh. Okay, I don't think there's anyone in here. No. Hello?
Hey.
I don't see anybody. Yeah? I kicked the fucking door down. I think.
Gas is strong.
I'm going.
You guys check over here?
No, they got people in this house trapped, man.
Really? There's people in there right now?
Yeah.
Back. Hey, anybody in here? Anybody here? Oh, careful. Oh man, that sucks. They said somebody was over here. Yeah, it's really far over there. It didn't sound like it's over here. Let's go. Get hold of that thing. You guys get back there? Bro, good thing I didn't wear flip-flops. You guys, somebody was in here.
I think we got the kid out. The guy's coming out right now.
Good deal.
We don't know about those houses around.
Which one? Okay, let's go over there. Come on.
Tom, did you hear that sound? That's gas.
Okay, guys. They're coming. Oh. I know, we need that shut off. Wow, this noise is gas. Let's get this way. Let's get this way. This way. Where's the front door?
This is the back way.
Hello? Is anybody in here? Oh, there you go. Oh, this is the backyard. Holy cow.
There's the door. There's the door.
I can't knock that down. Look at all the stuff in front of it. Let's go under here. You can go under this garage.
get hold of them. We got trapped over here.
Where?
Anybody have any idea what this address would be?
What is mailbox somewhere?
What's the next one over here?
See if you know a mailbox. There's a mailbox up there.
5613.
Just keep trying to call 911 for it. Not sure we get in here.
What about around the back?
Chris, can you hear me?
Can you hear him?
Hey, in
After you arrive, point them in the same direction I just went. We have 2 traps and gas leaks.
We just pulled 3 people out of here.
Straight down the alleyway.
They're in the garage.
Garage?
In the garage.
In the garage.
There were 3 people pulled out of the garage earlier. Hey, there were 3 people pulled out here.
Hey, we need some hands over here.
Hey, 3 people were pulled out there.
Huh?
3 people were just pulled out there. We were here.
Just pulled out?
Yeah.
Watch your feet. There's a lot of nails, man.
Hey, 3 people were pulled out.
So he said he's looking at him.
Do we need a paramedic? My wife's a nurse.
Slow down, slow down.
She's gonna need one.
Slow it down. I know. Slow down.
Wait.
Let me move some of this shit right here. Just lay on my hand. You're good. Push on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost there.
How many people are still in there? How many people are in there?
Hey, you're okay. Be careful now.
Watch out, watch out. Yeah, I'm a nurse, Blake.
Get on my
Get on her shoulder.
He's a nurse.
Come on, we gotta get at it.
So there's one more in there?
You ready? Ladder. Good? Well, I'm
There's no one in there with you, right?
No, that's it. Last one.
That's good?
That's it. This is the last one. All right. We gotta get in there.
Let's get out of here. There's gas.
Everybody check over there, please.
Don't get over there. Everyone's afraid of going over there. Too much gas. Stream?
Anyone in here?
Hello!
Is there stairs? They have upstairs?
Yeah. Well, hold on.
I don't know where it is. Here?
Hello?
Check the garage.
Hello? Anyone in here?
No. Okay.
Is anyone here?
Oh, okay.
Anyone in there, Hayden?
Man, where's the stairs?
There's stairs over there.
Hey, there's some
dogs
dogs
over here.
Hey, guys.
Hayden, we found dogs!
Oh, sorry about that.
I can check the stairs. So the gal didn't work there. These people seem gone.
Well, the damage is all upstairs. If they were upstairs, they'd definitely be hurt.
Hello?
Watch out, watch out.
Is anyone here? I think this house is clear. Check it out.
Oh, fuck.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
I don't know if that's outdoor or what.
Anything?
Hey, anybody here? Is that you over there?
Yeah, that's him.
Okay.
You guys get in there?
Yeah, you want? This way. Make sure we get those dogs. Go, go, go. No, let's get the dogs.
Holy
shit, dude.
I'm gonna pull those dogs in here.
Yeah. Why you get... What? No, no, no. Check the house next to us.
Hey, doggy, so easy. Come on. Come on, come on.
Alright, while you get those dogs, I'm gonna check this next house. Hit it! Hit it! This way. Make sure there's no one. This house is clear. You haven't checked that one yet.
That's gas.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
gas.
Doggy, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. I'll see you there. We'll get him. Hey, man.
Hey, we need to get that address.
Yeah, we do. We'll come back. Make sure we get the address for the house and get their dogs.
Everybody in there!
Right here, right here. Hello?
Anyone in here? Anyone in here? What? Ready? No one?
Where at?
Is there somebody or no one? No one?
Hello? Anybody in here?
Check that closet. Check that closet.
What was that? Oh, man. This closet.
Is anyone in here? You hear that? Oh, that's them upstairs.
Upstairs?
No, that's them.
Okay. Good, good. Let's go.
It's on from this one.
Let's move. Let's get those dogs. Let's get them out of here.
I'll be the new officer if they can find it.
Oh, man. Look at all this damage.
It really makes you think like this could happen in 6 seconds.
Hey, let's get the address for these dogs.
Hey, this is their truck. Look for their insurance.
Well, it's alright, it's alright. Let fire department deal with that. We just gotta get these dogs out of here.
You can go straight.
Help me find the address to this house.
This one?
Stay with the dogs. I'm gonna go right inside really quick. You alright, folks? Hey, this house has been checked. It's clear.
This house is checked.
Yes, we just need an address. We found dogs in here. Do you have an address? Do you see one?
Yeah, it's clear. That one's clear.
Address. No freaking address. What the heck? Oh, right there. Five 614. 5614. 5614. Where's the area? Hold. Alright, I'm just checking. Come over here. You see me? I'm coming over there. 5618. 5618. Five, 6, 1, 8. You got him? Let's get out of here. There's some more storms and stuff.
Huh?
Let's get out of here. Let's go through the front.
Let's go.
Here. You grab one side, grab the other. Doggies.
One's hurt.
Oh.
That one's hurt.
He's hurt?
Yeah,
Where?
because something got in his eye and he's bleeding.
Oh, man. Oh, poor doggy. Hopefully you can still see.
Dude, this is bad.
Yes. Oh, man, there's some houses over there. 5618, okay? 5618, 5618. 5618, 56. Oh man, these houses too.